Now, people, I really don't know what's going on. But as you can see, the city of Miami police find missing pregnant woman in Edgewater. If you don't know, that woman on the screen is Konshens' wife. And this is what the article says, people. I'm not gonna lie to you. Me no know how Konshens' wife missing since Monday and him not said nothing publicly about it, but I think I might know why, you see me, I say. But then again, I don't know where I go on because the police then put out a thing, you see me. So the City of Miami Police Department Special Victims Unit, SUV, found a missing 41-year-old pregnant woman. Latoya Amik Spencer was located at a hospital. According to the police, Spence was last seen in the Edgewater area on Monday around 3 p.m., arriving in a 27 Mati black Jeep Wrangler with oversized tires. A description of Spence was released as follows. She is a black woman with black hair and brown eyes. She stands at 5 feet 5 inches and weighs 145 pounds. She was last seen wearing a black sweater and shorts. Man, I don't know what I go on from another go on, people. You see me, I say. The other day, I say Konshens and him wife they in some cascas on social media, something about men being men and, the normal woman and man business. And I thought they was just looking at attention. You see me, I say. I think I mentioned that in the review I did about Konshens when him they get in a trouble with him son. As you know, he was playing some rah-rah music around him and thing. But bam, it's just crazy. She's been missing from Monday and he hasn't posted nothing on his social media account. I see him post up something in I'm story 21 hours ago. Wishing people happy birthday and all of these things. You see me also? And like the other day, she posts up this picture of this individual and captioned it. Thank you for always being there for your non-judgmental, unconditional love forever and always love. Again, people, Konshens' wife is 4 months pregnant. We didn't even know that she did pregnant and all of these things and to air it on the news because this is all over America news. It's on the police website and all of these things. So, plus I gave it an update that his wife is missing and how she's missing. Description and all of these stuff. But if she has been found, just let us know in the comment section. Yeah, let's proceed now. Okay, so this is why I'm glad me never finished the review because Konshens just made a post on his IG page. And I mean, remember say I found Monday she missing and we're not Wednesday. You know what I mean? But he said found her, she is safe. She had an accident and got admitted without my knowledge, realizing she was not responding to my calls and texts. I started calling around to hospitals after calling all hospitals in the area and then all saying no patient by the name that was there. I had no choice but to alert the police. The police did their own search and found out that she was indeed admitted. She was already found before the news alert went out, but it was already in motion. Many thanks for all the calls and prayers. She is now in recovery, no serious injuries. Give thanks to this is a tough time for our family, and I will appreciate the privacy we can get at this time. Thanks again to the Miami PD for their swift action. She is okay, everyone. Thanks, everyone. You see me? Let's proceed. Well, people, another one bites the dust. Yes, another bust. Boy, people, this is the amount of money in front of them. $1 billion equivalent to how much million US dollars? You see me, I say? Because me not lie. What I be a drug bust go in Jamaica, and it look like said them lock up some people what there, and them look like said them snitch. You know what I mean? Probably snitch trying to get off of the case, Boy, people, $5 million, $5 million US dollars, you see me? You know what I mean? St. James, Jamaica, over $5 million US dollars, you see me? And over $500,000 worth of cocaine was found. You know what I mean? In a joint police military operations. According to reports, investigators are still in the process of tallying the amount of cash seized and cash thief. You know what I mean? Because say police now get paid. But then again, people, Bro God now ramp around with them people, yeah, you know. And I mean, you know, bro God put out on a different put out a new squad for deal with the corruption and all of these things, you know. But boy, what a struck of bad luck, people, for them to get pulled over and jaja. 5 million. This remind me of the Mexican, the Chinese boy them getting out of Mexico. Um, with all of their money there, you know, and this is just one of many houses in Jamaica that's operating like this, you know. But me just again an update what go on from what not go on, you know. It look like said them and them that them all were there in St. James might have led to this, you know, because hours later at 11:30 a.m. investigators, like I said, act upon a tip in the same neighborhood and them find this, you know, US and Canadian currencies. Boy, people, honestly. If me a Babylon, might for hold a couple of house money out of that, you know. You see me, I say, boy, child, no, put in the comment section what you think. Well, go on for what not to go on, you see me? Yeah. And now it's about to get crazy. Craney apologizes to Dewey's mother. Yes, big woman to big woman, and then she diss the hell out of Uno because of shame for shame. Boy, people we can't make these up. And then she also yeah, and she visit her daughter's grave, so you know how the thing go, people. Let's take a look.
R.I.P. my pitney. If you did there, you'd have said, Mom! I'm gonna say, Rachel, you know me not sorry for no decision me make. Any decision me make, good or bad, me cope with it. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right, Queenie. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, Queenie. Don't give up the fight. Mr. Thick and tired of the ism kism. Listen, me not sorry for what me do. And I will tell you over and over again. I want somebody me go get apology to is Odette, Dwayne's mom. And out of respect and the fact that it's my husband, ma'am, even though I get upset and print out her name, I'm not sorry, but I will apologize. Whether she want to take it or not, I apologize. Me, now me could have called me down and cow down for cow down on the way. No, can't tell me what to do. Uno too enough. You say no not forget involved in a cocky and pussy argument. But because you not go and get on a side chick, on a cooler, cocky cooler, on not have no man. On not have no husband. All of what talk negative. When I don't have no man, no husband, babe, I fight for my husband. Yes. And whatever me and my husband lies, uno can't know. So I'll let me come and show no one something. I see this Ted something. My husband, in the sight of man and God, we have a lovely wedding and we're going to have a journey ups and down. And I got shame on it over and over again. Every time I shame, I go make a shame. Shame for blood clot, shame. And I go, I'm not too enough, man. I'm alone, I go walk on the lonely road. Rachel, I wonder if you know much about this. Rachel, I know me, I cope now. Rachel, I'm struggling to rush. May I tell you that? Rachel, watch your son. See that? You saw the sun has shine for me, your name Sonita. I mean, know that is a sign my father gonna give me. You know, Rachel, me need you. Rara, Scary God, Uncle Willard God, you God, oh God, how much that tree that me get in the face of her ear. Three of my family, them, my brother, my uncle, my firstborn, my belly pain. Hi, Miss Rush.
Again, don't forget to comment about the money thing and thing no. Cause this is just weird. You see me, I say. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You see me? Bless. Oh, before I forget, make sure to check out the review. Shensi had this the hell out of everybody before she did famous. Yes, Alkaline and Embati business, Vibes Cartel for rest in that prison. Boy, all our idol Rihanna. Got it and many more. Yes. remember for just go and watch the video, you see me, I say, bless.